3, 2, 1.
What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, March 6th, 2018. We're going to look at Litecoin. Right now, there's a nor'easter brewing. It's coming this way. Today was a beautiful day, sunny, nice. The birds were chirping. It was like that calm before the storm. And I sense something similar happening with Litecoin. It's the calm before the storm. And let's check it out. I mean, a lot of people are starting to talk about this gigantic bull pennant that is forming, the symmetrical triangle, the awesome looking consolidation. I mean, really, that Litecoin has gone through since we had a run up, that huge bull run in mid-December. And now we're 80% to the apex of kind of this continuation pattern. And we're just waiting to see. Everybody's sitting around waiting to see what's going to happen. And what's funny is, at the end of the day, no one will ever know. No one will ever be able to predict. However, these things, traditionally, I think this pattern has a better success rate than others. So certainly a breakout is possible, and a breakout above that resistance line that you see there is possible, and a nice confirmation of a possible breakout. So what would that look like anyway? Let's talk about it, because it's pretty simple, but it's fun to watch. We can take really the distance of this flagpole on this pennant, and you really, price target wise, you would take it from the breakout. So let's just say March 8th, right? Put it on March 8th. We have a breakout above this resistance line in this triangle. So really, you'd have a price target of right around here, 534, 536, or right in that area. That's kind of the price target based on this pattern. So that doesn't mean that if we break out, it's just going to be like whoop, right through to this incredible high of $500. Doesn't mean that. However, it's a price target. So if we break out of this, we would probably have a nice rally, and could bounce around a little bit. But it's the long-term price target of $530. Not long-term, but it's kind of like the next level for Litecoin to hit and achieve. And along that, we would really look to break these previous highs. So that's what we would be looking for upon a breakout. Now, just because we break through this trend line, it may happen. It's not like a definite thing that we're gonna, just go to the moon from there, okay? So it's especially important and relevant if you're trading, which if you are trading, hopefully, you're putting your stop losses in place, because often it can be a fake breakout, and, we can kind of come back down. Typically, I believe traders that trade this type of pattern would put a stop loss right below the bottom and right below the support line of the triangle. So they'd put a stop loss down here. Now, it's really up to you. Use your own wisdom. Use your own comfort level in making that decision if you're going to be trading this. Me, I'm looking at this pattern. I'm looking for a breakout, not to trade, but to, increase my investment and increase my holding in Litecoin. So for me, that looks like something like, I've been buying in these areas. These 200 areas I posted on Twitter earlier, it's hard not to. In my opinion, Litecoin is incredibly undervalued, and in my opinion, over the long term, $200 is a great price. So I have no problem taking what I'm comfortable with and investing into Litecoin right now. Now, on a breakout, I might actually increase the amounts that I would pick up. I'm very conservative with the amounts that I pick up, that whether I'm buying it on a weekly basis or not. And if we break out, though, could be a different story, because then it's kind of like, all right, we're getting ready to move here, so you might want to pick up a little bit more this time. Now, on the flip side, I just want to throw this out there. It's very possible within this symmetrical triangle here, right, this pennant that's forming, to revisit the bottom of the pennant, so the support line. And for me, it's an incredibly high opportunity buy zone. So, and this is why I do charting. This is why I look at the charts, and this is why you see these lines all over the place, is because it's not so much I'm trying to predict anything. I want to be prepared. Okay, if we go here, what am I ready to do? If we go down here, what am I ready to do? So I'm not like twiddling my fingers trying to figure out, oh, wait, we're making moves down here. I don't know what to do. I'll be prepared. So it's a preparation tactic. It's not a prediction tactic. So I know not a lot of you, some of you comment and you're just like, why? I just don't get it. Why do you do this? And my battery's about to go out. So when that happens, I'm gonna have to get my GoPro and finish this video. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. And we can flip over to the weekly. And I just want to point out, right now, you see on the weekly, awesome consolidation on the RSI. And then you can even see on the stock RSI, we're pretty nicely oversold. And, when we were in this area last time, what happened next? We did have a breakout. So, I mean, you can even look at the daily, I think. Let me see. Where are we in the daily? Again, on the daily, pretty much approaching oversold. So it feels like there's something going on. It feels like there's a storm coming. No guarantees, but we're getting there. 80% through the apex of this triangle. So we definitely need a spike in volume. I can tell you that. The volume is definitely low. So for any type of nice breakout or rally, we need volume. So something to keep an eye on. Really curious about your thoughts. Let me know if you are trading this at all. Let me know what you think about this bull pennant. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. We'd love to have you as part of the Crypto Capital Venture community. If you like this video, if you feel like you got some value from it, or even if you didn't like the video, do something different and just press the like button. So anyway, I will see you in the next video. And as always, God bless.